so too must be your weapon. You must choose what you will wield, and the Moon Maiden will provide. Thus I have said, thus will it be so. Are you ready?
For my weapon? Naturally.
To kill Ketheric Thorn.
The unkillable can now be killed.
Yeah.
Welcome to character development chart. Yeah, honestly, if you let Shadowheart be a Dark Justice here, it's actually shitty. You're supposed to fix her.
That's what frightens me. She must be angry. Yet, I don't feel it. Or hear it. There's only silence. Let's get out of here, please. Whatever's coming, I don't want to be in the heart of the Shadowfell when it finds me.
By the way, are you joining for tomorrow?
For Moonrise Towers.
For what?
I got that old birthday, 24-hour birthday stream. Obviously, you don't have to be there for the whole 24 hours, but...
For hamster. What is this?
Oh, I just said that. That's cool. A powerful ally. Well chosen, Shadowheart.
Okay. We don't need to do any long rests right now, do we?
Nah, we literally just beat the Shadow. Like, Shadowheart used one level 5 slot just to make sure that she could guarantee that shot, but other than that, no, we do not.
Okay, cool. Because the next time I long rest, I start dirging. So let's see how far we can take. We gotta try and take it to the end. Try and take it to the before the what's it called. And if we don't have to long rest before we go into the nest, then we can. Then we don't have to worry about it for like much because there's like a long rest like beacon.
Yeah.
Let's try to avoid the long rest.
I tried to leave, but Shah blocked me. Punished me for failing her. I thought I knew the limit of pain that the incurable wound could inflict, but